Hey, welcome back to another episode on Genealogy TV. This is another Tiny Tip Tuesday, and this is one of those app for that segments. You know, surely there's an app for that. Well, there is. So, one of the favorite apps that I like to use is probably the most popular out there, I don't know, next to Family Search, is the Ancestry app. And I have to say, I really like this app. My original complaint about this app was I couldn't get my messages on here, but I finally found them. So, one of the things that, oh, I see I have a message here. I'll read that later. But one of the cool things about this app, and here's how I use it. So, when you're on location, you're in the library, you are at an archive, you're out and about, you're at a graveyard. It doesn't matter where you are. A lot of times when we're at the library and the archives, you know, we can have a laptop with us. And so I will use that. You know where this comes in handy? Family reunions. How many times have you sat on the back deck or in the Florida room or in the living room or wherever the family is gathering and you're starting to tell stories? And they're going, you know what? What year was Aunt Mabel born? Or, you know, Jane and Joe were married. What year? I think it was, well, guess what? The app, you can pop that puppy up really quick and do a search. It also has your hints. But one of the things I like to do is use it for searching. So you can come over here and hit the search and say, what year was Edna born again? Whoops, help if I type it right. Edna. That's right. She was born in 1918. And it really, like, because you usually have your cell phone with you at family reunions anyway, it's awesome because you can just pop up and say, you know what? I have the answer to that right here. And it actually helps the family with their family stories. One of the other things I like to do during those times is to record the conversation. Having the facts handy with you when you are talking with the family really helps fill the story. So that's my tip for today for my app for that segment. That is the Ancestry.com's phone app. I sure hope you liked that episode. If you did, please make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to make sure that you get notified of the next time we upload videos. Also, the show notes that we talk about throughout the show are here. This is the description. Underneath this where it says show more, this is where you'll find the show notes with all of the links about the episodes that we talk about. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching Genealogy TV.